Hi everyone, Dee here, and we are going to unbox my new optical glasses with the Shamir lens. I actually went to my optometrist and he recommended that I go ahead and try it because of this new coating called Shamir Glacier Expression. What's so special about it is that it reduces the reflection so that if you do a lot of video calls or if you're that kind of person who does a lot of selfies like me, it's perfect for you because the person on the other side is going to be able to see your expression. All right guys, here's the moment of truth. Let's open up my new glasses because I can't wait to try them on. All right. Oh my gosh, they are so elegant. So beautiful. Check it out. Check it out. So excited. What do you think? What do you think? All right, I'm definitely loving this. I want to see if the Shamir Glacier Expression coating really does reduce the reflection. So let's start with the old glasses. I'm going to take a close look at this. All right. I'm seeing the reflection and I'm a little bit bummed out because I feel like you can't see my eyes. And I'm gonna take a close look at this. It's clear, it's super clear, and wow. Are you seeing this? Like clear, it does not look like I have a lens on. I am never doing another video call without the Shamir Glacier Expression coating. It really is amazing. Are you feeling me? You can see my eyes. You can see my expression. That's why it's called the Shamir Glacier Expression.